Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb likro, which means to read. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for the verb to read is likro. Likro. To say I read or I am reading as a male, say אני קורא. אני קורא. To say I read or I am reading as a female, say אני קוראת. אני קוראת. To say I read as either a male or a female, say אני קראתי. אני קראתי. To say I will read as either a male or a female, say אני אקרא. אני אקרא. To say you read or you are reading when referring to singular male, say אתה קורא. אתה קורא. To say you read when referring to a singular male, say אתה קראת. אתה קראת. To say you will read when referring to a singular male, say אתה תקרא. אתה תקרא. To say you read or you are reading when referring to a singular female, say את קוראת. את קוראת. To say you read when referring to a singular female, say את קראת. את קראת. To say you will read when referring to a singular female, say את תקראי. את תקראי. To say he reads or he is reading, say הוא קורא. הוא קורא. To say he read, say הוא קרא. הוא קרא. To say he will read, say הוא יקרא. הוא יקרא. To say she reads or she is reading, say היא קוראת. היא קוראת. To say she read, say היא קראה. היא קראה. To say she will read, say היא תקרא. היא תקרא. To say we read or we are reading as males, say אנחנו קוראים. אנחנו קוראים. To say we read or we are reading as females, say אנחנו קוראות. אנחנו קוראות. To say we read as either males or females, say אנחנו קראנו. אנחנו קראנו. To say we will read as either males or females, say אנחנו נקרא. אנחנו נקרא. To say you read or you are reading when referring to plural males, say אתם קוראים. אתם קוראים. To say you read, when referring to plural males, say atem קראתם. אתם קראתם. To say you will read, when referring to plural males, say אתם תקראו. אתם תקראו. To say you read or you are reading, when referring to plural females, say אתן קוראות. אתן קוראות. To say you read, when referring to plural females, say אתן קראתן. אתן קראתן. To say you will read, when referring to plural females, say אתן תקראו. אתן תקראו. There is another form, which is אתן תקראנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. To say they read or they are reading, when referring to males, say הם קוראים. הם קוראים. To say they read, when referring to males, say הם קראו. הם קראו. To say they will read, when referring to males, say הם יקראו. הם יקראו. To say they read or they are reading, when referring to females, say הן קוראות. הן קוראות. To say they read, when referring to females, say הן קראו. הן קראו. To say they will read, when referring to females, say הן יקראו. הן יקראו. There is another form, which is הן תקראנה, which we don't really use nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the verbs. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.